Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put text behind part of an image in Photopea. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Photopea software. Then open your file. Now you can see here are my file with image. Now I put text behind this image. Now I write anything. Now select this text, then press Ctrl plus T. Now I rotate this image text like this. Now press confirm icon. Now select this text layer and drag to this background layer. Now you can see I put text behind part of an image in Photopea very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for